Let me show you a cleaner way to write your code. Imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to get the square of each even number. Most beginners would write a for loop, check if the number is even using an if statement, and then add its square to a new list. And hey, it works, but it's a bit too much, right? Now here's the cool part. You can do the exact same thing in just one line using list comprehension. It's like saying, take each number from the list, and if it's even, add its square to the new list. That's it. Clean, fast, and super readable. If you need to do this multiple times, it's better to put it in a function, like this. You create a function getEvenSquares that takes a list and returns squares of even numbers. Then just call the function whenever you want. Super clean and reusable. Functions help keep your code neat and avoid repeating yourself. List comprehensions not only make your code shorter, but also easier to understand. Once you get used to them, you'll never want to go back to writing long loops for simple tasks. So next time you're about to write a loop just to build a list, try using a list comprehension instead. Your code will thank you. And if you found this helpful, follow for more Python tips like this.